Hello, hello, come hear the sound. The letter H is all around. From hats to hugs and humming too. Let's hop into the H we knew. H is for hat, on your head it goes. Big ones, small ones, and ones with bows. H is for horse, strong and fast, galloping through fields so vast. H is for house, where we live and play, with windows to look out every day. H is for helicopter up in the sky, whirring and flying way up high. H is for hen, who clucks all day, laying her eggs in a nest of hay. H is for hands, to wave and clap, to draw, to build, or take a nap. H is for hug, so warm and tight, it makes us feel safe and just right. Now we've hopped through letter H today, with hats and hugs and horses that neigh. So hold up your hand and say with cheer, H is happy, let's all cheer.